We were thrilled to hear that the Pad 6 will be getting an impressive Pro update in the face of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. The new tablet brings a huge display, flagship-grade performance, superb speakers, and a massive battery. This thin aluminum tablet features a 12.4-inch IPS LCD screen of 295 ppi, 10-bit color depth, 144 Hz refresh rate, and Dolby Vision support. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with 8GB, 12GB, or even 16GB of RAM, depending on the storage model. The Pad 6s Pro features 6 large speakers with Dolby Atmos support. There is a 50MP rear camera and a 32MP front shooter for pictures and video calls. Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is powered by a 10,000 mAh battery with superfast 120W charging. It runs on Hyper OS based on Android 14. Finally, Xiaomi has designed 3 exclusive accessories for this Pad 6s slate: the Focus Pen, an origami-like stand/cover, and a handy touchpad keyboard cover. Pros: lovely simplistic design, aluminum unibody. Excellent display, bright, dynamic, colorful, no notch. Great battery life. Speediest charging we've seen. Some of the best tablet speakers we've tested. Flagship performance, great stability. Clean OS with plenty of customizations. The cameras offer good photos and videos. Cons: no cellular version or microSD slot. No ingress protection rating. Our verdict: the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro starts at about €600 for its 8256 version, which is a reasonable price for a flagship tablet. This one here has an excellent display, top-notch chipset, outstanding speakers, long battery life and exceptionally fast charging. If it were water-resistant, it would have been perfect, but a tablet is not the usual device you bring for selfies by the pool, is it? The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro has a rich accessory lineup at launch: the touchpad keyboard, €150, the cover stand and the Focus Pen, €90, which means you can make it act as a laptop and a notebook/sketchbook if needed for the right price. These accessories certainly don't come cheap. This is the tablet you get instead of an iPad or the expensive Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Of course, Samsung and Apple will be ready to sell you smaller versions of their premium tablets for a similar price. But when it comes to tablets, screen size is everything. Plus, Xiaomi is also prepared to give you cheaper alternatives with its Redmi Pad series should you want a more mainstream alternative option. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.